My name is Mark Pleiner. I'm a wealth management advisor with Mass Mutual of Greater Philadelphia. So I initially met Peter and we kind of got looped in together. We worked together in a networking group, Brian Hughes Business Connections. And through that, I learned a little bit more about what Peter does for a living, PB Adjusting. Last March, we had a couple snowstorms in the area, some bad wind, and I had a tree fall in my backyard and kind of ripped up my fence, really kind of blew up my fence. And I've not been satisfied with the offer that my insurance company made. So after meeting Peter and hearing about his company, I thought, who better to ask about this situation than Peter, and I got him involved. So the experience overall has been fantastic. So Peter and everybody on the staff has been super knowledgeable, crazy helpful, and they've really taken me by the hand and led me through step by step in terms of what needs to be done to get my claim resolved. Peter's knowledge level and PB Adjusting is probably one of the most professional organizations I've ever come across, and I'm glad to say that I consider Peter a friend as well as somebody who I hope to do a lot of business with going forward in the future. What I would recommend to someone is, as soon as you can, as early in the process as you are, get Peter involved, because even if you think it's a situation where maybe everything is okay, Peter's expertise in all fields will really come in handy in terms of getting you the money you need and that you deserve from your insurance company.